Now, early monsoon in India has disrupted lives in multiple Indian states. Himachal Pradesh has been the worst hit with landslides and flash floods, while Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand and Assam have also been battered by heavy downpours. The Met Department has issued heavy rainfall alert for today in at least 5 states, including Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, MP, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. In the last 24 hours, villages have been cut off as rivers overflow in Chhattisgarh. Heavy rain led to landslides and road closures in Uttarakhand's Shamoli. In Varanasi, rising water levels of the Ganga have submerged several ghats. And in West Bengal, heavy rain in Kolkata led to waterlogging and transport disruptions. The death toll has risen to 85 in Himachal Pradesh, with 54 people losing their lives due to rain-triggered disasters like landslides, cloudbursts, flash floods and drowning incidents. Mandi district is the worst hit with 17 rain-related fatalities and extensive infrastructure loss. Flash flood warning alert has also been sounded in Chamba, Kangra, Kullu, Shimla, Solan and Sirmaur districts. While rescue and relief teams have also been deployed in the worst affected regions, the Met Department has predicted more rain in the coming days. In Chhattisgarh, heavy rain continues to batter many districts. Roads are flooded and water has entered homes in low-lying areas. In the Devdari Falls area, police and administration rescued stranded people as overflowing rain clogged roads and even entered houses. Now, the rivers and streams are overflowing. Several villages have been cut off, as I mentioned earlier. In Uttar Pradesh, heavy rain battered the temple town of Ayodhya. Incessant rain in the last 24 hours left several areas waterlogged, causing disruption to daily life. Ghats remain submerged in Varanasi as Ganga water level has been steadily rising. Prayers and religious activities have been affected, of course, as water has reached the steps of the temples. In Uttarakhand, heavy rain triggered landslides and flash floods in several districts. In areas like Rudraprayag, Uttarkashi, Chamoli and Pithoragarh, landslides have cut off routes to remote villages. In Maharashtra, a red alert has been issued for Nagpur as the city continues to be battered by heavy rain over the past few days. Non-stop rainfall since this morning has led to severe waterlogging across multiple parts of the city. The Indian Met Department has issued an orange alert across Maharashtra for today and the next 2 days. Cities including Pune and Mumbai are likely to witness heavy to very heavy rainfall. And WION's principal correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this report. For more on this, listen to this.
The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for the district of Nagpur here in the state of Maharashtra, as for the past few days, the city per se is witnessing relentless and heavy rainfall leading to waterlogging in majority of the low-lying areas as well. And considering today as well, it has been raining non-stop. As a precautionary measure, the local administration has declared a holiday in schools and colleges. On the other side, the rescue operations are also underway because not only the low-lying areas but even the state highways have been completely submerged underwater, and people have been asked not to venture or step outside if it's not really necessary. At the end of the day, what we also understand, the local administration is really asking people and rescuing people from the low-lying areas to the safe shelters till the time the flood-like situation is not really controlled. And for the rest of the Maharashtra, the IMD has issued an orange alert for today and for the next 2 days, where the cities like Mumbai, Pune might experience heavy to heavy rainfall. This is Disha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.